Before DoorLoop, our last software wasn't performing. Profit and loss statements, cash flow statements had mistakes, rent rolls had mistakes. They weren't adding up correctly.
We decided to do a little digging, and we found DoorLoop is the one for us. My name is Josh Hendizada. I'm the co-founder and vice president of management at Lion Property Management.
My name is Shahab. I'm a co-founder and managing broker of Lion Property Management. We specialize in managing residential, commercial property in the greater Los Angeles area.
Currently, we have just under 200 units in our portfolio. We became a property manager because we saw the injustices that were happening to tenants, coupled with the high prices that traditional property management companies were charging landlord owners, and we wanted to make a good mix of being fair to the tenants along with maximizing profits for our landlords.
We've been using DoorLoop for about a year. We tried other property management softwares. We weren't happy with them. DoorLoop, between their customer service, their support, and the intuitive software, it was an amazing fit.
We would spend tens of hours a week manually entering lots of information, and we realized that DoorLoop was the key to our success. I'd say DoorLoop saves us about 3 to 4 hours a day on manually entering information, and total about 15 to 20 hours a week. My favorite DoorLoop feature is the easy integration with almost all the other softwares and major platforms.
My favorite DoorLoop feature is how easy it is for us to collect rent and for tenants to pay their rent. It's painless, quick, fast, to the point. DoorLoop software and customer service, their onboarding team, it's all 10 out of 10. They've been always available to make a Zoom session, a phone call, chat support. There's so many different ways to contact them. They make it easy to book a call and get support if needed, whether it's over the phone or if you need them to guide you through. It's truly an all-inclusive software. Whether I need to use it on my phone, whether it's a tablet, laptop, desktop, it makes no difference. It's all available. It's all easy. All the data I need is at my fingertips, literally.
The one piece of advice that I would give to landlords and future property managers is to not go with the cheapest option and to spend some money in order to maximize your return on investment.
To make sure to choose a software that's functioning, not just stating that this is what we do, but they back it up. They're able to stand by their product and truly do what you need it to do.